In this video lecture of array data structure, we are studying operations on array. There are various operations that can be performed on array, like traversing, insertion, deletion, searching, sorting, etc. Let's do first operation on array, that is traversing. But let me tell you what is traversing. Traversing means to access each and every element of the array starting from first element to the last element in the array one by one. Let us understand algorithm to traverse an array. Here traverse is the name of the algorithm. Then in the brackets we put the parameters whichever we want to use, like here I have used k pointer and LA, that is length of the array. Suppose I have an array from A0, A1 to AN. I feed it 1, 2, 3 to k information in an array. Now whatever I put in array I need to print it. So I used to follow this algorithm. Step 1 is I have to initialize the pointer k with lower bound. Lower bound because lower bound is first index of an array, which we discussed in our previous video lecture. In step 2, we will repeat the upcoming process till pointer reach to last element, that is k is the pointer, less than equal to ub. Less than equal to upper bound means the last value lies in upper bound. Think last value is till 10. So loop will iterate till pointer reach to 10th value. Now in step 3, apply the process to LA of k, means position of k is first times 0, so go on 0th index. For step 4, then increment k for sending it to the next element. Next element will be at first index. It is going till last element, that is upper bound. Then algorithm completes and the last step is step 5, exit. Now let's understand this algorithm with the help of an example. First, initialize the array having name A, size 10. Some variables like I and n for further. We have to print how many elements are in array. So print enter how many elements are in array. For taking input, we are using scanf function. %d is a format specifier for using end. N is a variable we are using that how much elements are in array at runtime. Now we have to put each element of array at every index. So first print enter elements of array. For entering every element of array, we have to use the loop for our convenience. There are different loops like if, for, while. I am using for loop for entering the elements of array. For initialize from 0, as 0 is the first index of an array, till n, whatever we will choose at runtime number of elements, and iterate. Take the input. Now the traversing begins. Again use a for loop to print these elements. The concept is same. Finally print the elements. \n is used to print the element in the next line. Here is capital letter in our program. With this, our traversing ends. So let's see the output. How many elements are in array? We can put any one as we are entering n elements. So I am choosing 5. Elements of array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The arrays we traverse each and every element of the array. So with this we studied algorithm plus program of traversing an elements into the array. Before ending this tutorial, these are frequently asked interview questions on array data structure based on whatever we studied till now. We will discuss answer of these questions in upcoming playlist series of interview questions of data structures and algorithm. So stay tuned and enjoy learning. And yes, if you have any queries regarding this video, feel free to contact us through LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Thanks for watching.